Hey everyone! Welcome back to MD English Flow, where learning English is smooth, simple, and super fun.
Hi Diana. Hi everyone. Today's topic is something I love. How to speak English naturally and sound confident anywhere in the world.
You know, Max, so many English learners say, I know the words, but I still sound robotic or nervous.
Exactly. And the secret isn't about big vocabulary. It's about flow, tone, and natural phrases that real people use every day.
That's right. If you've ever wondered how to sound like a native, not a textbook, stay with us for the next few minutes.
You're about to learn simple ways to sound confident and natural, no matter where you are. London, New York, or anywhere in between.
But first, you know the drill. Please hit like, subscribe, and share this video to help more learners grow with us.
Alright, let's start with this. Sounding natural isn't about speaking fast. It's about speaking smoothly.
Yes, a lot of learners think native speakers talk super fast, but actually, they connect words in a relaxed way.
For example, instead of saying, "How are you?" Americans often say, "How are ya?"
Or instead of "What are you doing?" you'll hear "What ya doing?" It sounds relaxed, friendly, and confident.
Don't worry, you don't need to copy accents perfectly. Just try to catch the rhythm and flow.
Exactly. Try saying, "Hey, how are you doing?" instead of "Hello, how are you doing?" It instantly feels more natural.
And here's the key: pause naturally. Don't rush. Natural speakers often pause slightly between thoughts.
Like this, "Well, I guess I could try that." Or, "Not sure about that one." These small pauses make your English sound real, not robotic.
Okay, let's make this practical. Imagine you're meeting new people at work or at a cafe.
Instead of saying "Nice to meet you," say, "Hey, great to finally meet you." Or, "I've heard so much about you."
That sounds so much more natural and confident.
Now imagine someone asks, "How are you?" Don't just say "I'm fine, thank you." Try these. "Pretty good, thanks, can't complain." "Doing great, thanks for asking." "Not bad at all, what about you?"
That's it. Those little expressions make you sound friendly and fluent, like you belong anywhere.
And when someone says thank you, don't always reply, "You're welcome." Mix it up. Try, "No problem. Anytime. Glad to help."
Quick story. One of my students used to say, "You're welcome," after every thank you. Then she learned to switch it up, and suddenly her English sounded way more natural.
Yeah, because real English isn't stiff, it's flexible.
Let's be honest. Most people don't sound confident in English because they're afraid of mistakes.
True. But listen, confidence doesn't mean perfect grammar. It means speaking without fear.
Exactly. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time.
Try this trick. When you forget a word, don't panic. Use fillers like, "What's the word? Let me think for a second."
That's how real people talk. For example, "I went to this, super cute little cafe near the park."
See? Totally natural. And it gives your brain a second to think, without sounding nervous.
Another tip: smile when you speak. Seriously, it changes your tone instantly and makes your voice sound warm and confident.
Absolutely. When you smile, your English smiles too. Alright everyone, let's practice together. We'll say a sentence. You repeat it after us. Ready?
Let's go.
Repeat after me. "Hey, great to finally meet you. Pretty good, thanks, can't complain." "No problem, happy to help. Let me think for a second."
Nice. Keep that rhythm, don't rush. Feel the flow.
Again. "Hey, great to finally meet you. Pretty good, thanks, can't complain."
You sound awesome already. Smiling face with sunglasses.
Here's something important. English changes a bit depending on where you are.
Right. In America, people often say, "What's up?" In London, you might hear, "You alright?" or "Fancy a coffee?"
But the core confidence is the same everywhere. Speak naturally, relax, and listen carefully.
And if you don't understand someone, just say, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Or, "Oh, I didn't catch that. What did you say?"
That's not weak. That's professional and polite.
Exactly. Confidence isn't knowing everything. It's knowing you can handle any situation.
So today we learned how to sound more natural, confident, and relaxed when speaking English, anywhere in the world.
Right. You don't need to sound perfect. You just need to sound real.
Practice these phrases every day, in your mirror, with friends, or even while walking.
And remember, the more you listen to real English, the more natural your speaking will become.
We'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments. Where are you from, and what English phrase do you use most every day?
That's a great one. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
See you next time on MD English Flow. Bye-bye. Waving hand.